Monlang Village organization of Mauringkang Village celebrated its 4th anniversary yesterday, commemorating 4 years of the organization's commitment to empowering and supporting women in the community. Nongpo MLA Meryl Bonds Aim attended the program as chief guest. In his address, the MLA lauded the organization's numerous initiatives aimed at empowering women and improving their economic conditions. He praised the Monlang Village organization for its instrumental role in initiating various activities that have significantly impacted the lives of women in the village.
Presiden Barim Inventur Hai Presiden Pemai Inventur Hai Presiden Barim.
Thank you.
Sibun kilat kilenti kibaka sorkar pedeng ke sorkar jela lengba jongka NRLM skim jong sorkar pedeng banyarap syaki longkemi banyarap syaki SAG bakin yang halaki jom kikidat the convergence scheme bansna ek office kadikawi ni kisinjam kiba misongkemen banyahi namar bahagi senem kiba mensua Mla bansna office lengba ka convergence scheme MG and RG. Kibabun KBO kijuan mi na kabenta banyo ek office kamlong gabasuk yengi kumginong mikmat ru pan banyo office haman la kisnong ma KBO kumala pan sumpu kilagan haman la kisnong la stang katuk ane